morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're having breakfast at the Marina Phuket. So I'm going to show you guys around the buffet and just the general restaurant and the lobby, and you can just see how it all is. So this is where it all starts. We've got a selection of curries, we've got fried fish, chicken ham, chicken sausage, fried noodle egg and rice. And then over here we've got some sweet stuff like your cereals, your fruits, your cold sauces, fruit. And we've got a coffee and tea station, pastries, Nutella, croissants, toast, and yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. Oh, we've also got a vegetarian corner, so that is quite nice. Oh, yum. And yeah, that's kind of the whole breakfast buffet situation. Oh, there's even something here. Oh wow, there's a fried egg station as well. That is amazing. So this is my first plate. We've got some fried noodles, fried fish, chicken, rice, and chicken curry. So this is what the restaurant looks like from the outside. So we are now checking out of the Marina Phuket, and now we're going to grab a Bolt and drive over to the Nap Patong and see how that is. We're staying there for one night, just like how we stayed at the Marina for one night. So yeah, let's go check that out. So this is the Nap Patong. This is the lobby. We've just been dropped off. And as soon as you walk in, there's a lovely water feature that goes all the way down. The color scheme is very nice and blue. And the beach is quite close as well. You can just feel the sea breeze as you walk through. And this is the lobby. It's very nice. Very beachy theme. They've even got a couple day beds just in the lobby. And as you walk through, you've got the pool, you've got a library. Oh my god, there's a library. Wow, would you look at that? There's actually quite a good selection of books. They've even got a gift shop and a spa. So it looks like they've got quite a couple of activities just to do in the lobby itself. It's quite big actually. Yeah, that's pretty good. And they've also got the gym in there. So overall, this is looking pretty good. Opposite the hotel, they've got a canvas therapy clinic, hair salon, pharmacy, which by the way, there are so many pharmacies just within like one block. You'll see like 5. There's a cafe and a jewelry store. So that's pretty good. And I believe here on this side is the lobby cafe and bar. From here, the beach is literally just down there. So the location of this hotel is, might I say, excellent. The room tour of the Nap. So as you walk in, you've got your lovely bed, got a full-size mirror, little TV, and the best part is that we're on the same level as the pool. So we've got this really big balcony overlooking the pool area, and also we can see that lobby water feature as well. My favorite part has got to be the bathroom. Let me show you. As soon as you walk in, you've got the wardrobe area. There's plenty of room to unpack your bag. And here is my favorite area, the bathroom. Look at how big it is. I really love the lighting. It is so intimate and nice in here. The shower is really big. There's plenty of room to change and do anything that you've got to do. So yeah, this is a great bathroom. Go to the pool. This is the walkway area. And they've even got a happy hour deal. Buy 2 cocktails, get 1 free. Ooh, that's a vibe. So that'll be good. And you come up this way. The sun is shining. This is the pool at the Nap Patong. And we've got all of this greenery. The color scheme here is really nice actually. And yeah, it's really nice. Now we're just gonna explore the hotel for a bit. There's some really cute turtles on the grass. And yeah, so we've just seen the pool. They've also got this little tiny lane. It's literally like wide enough to be 1 lane in a 25-meter swimming pool, but they've just got that. And then I believe they've just got their pool villas around the side, which I don't know if we can really go there. So we've just walked, and here is a private pool villa, I think. And yeah, it's just kind of randomly open. I'd probably think that it would be like a gated thing. Like if I'm paying for a pool villa, I don't want randoms walking into the pool when I'm there. These are the corridors to the rooms, and as you can see, it's all open and very airy and breezy. It is raining outside. I had to skedaddle out of the pool because my phone and dress were all on the on the pool chairs, so I didn't want them to get wet. But yeah, usually it doesn't rain for very long here, so we'll see how long this lasts, because we did have plans to go to the beach to watch the sunset, but let's see how much gets done today. The sun has popped through for a bit, but the rain still hasn't stopped. We're at Patong Beach watching the sunset. The beach is quite busy, everyone's enjoying, the breeze is amazing, it's just cooling us all down. And yeah, this is just such a nice and surreal experience because the sunset literally went into the ocean and it was amazing. It is going down now, but as you can see, there's not too many people in the water because the water is pretty rough. I did want to go for a swim, but I just think it'll be a bit dangerous. But yeah, and then you can see all the resorts lighting up and all the coconut trees behind us. And my new friend Agnieszka from Poland.
Yeah. Hello, it's me.
And yeah,